What's up, YouTube? I'm back. This morning I was having some technical difficulties getting into the platform. It wasn't allowing me to, and I don't think I will be able to for the rest of the week until next month, September 1st. Just some issues with the payment and billing. Just couldn't get in. So I'm in on my brother's account right now, just looking at the charts. So I guess it's gonna force me into taking a little break, and it's like the perfect time because school is also starting up and I'm about to take a bunch of classes. But I still want to continue with these videos in the afternoons, at least one video a day, just to keep myself consistent, keep the ball rolling. So before we start, or maybe I might trade on this account instead of my other one and just still record it. But today, our main objective is to finally build our trading watch list, which should compose of about 6 to 10 stocks. And those are the stocks that we will be trading every single day, or I'll be trading every single day. But before we start, I want to just take a look at what happened in the market today and just get some charting time in, screen time in. So let's just look at Apple at the open, 2 minute chart. So this was Apple at the close. Looks wide, gaps up. That bar isn't violent. It's not violence. That's just not violence. Look at it. It's not big enough. It's not solid enough. It's not violence. Is that violence? I don't want to call that violence. I don't know. It's just not big enough. But it did get a bounce here. Let's see if it drops through. Struggling at that 20. Is that potentially the double dip right there? Does this fall? You got a whole number here as well. 179. Does it fall to the 200? Yeah, I don't know. The MA was flat that whole time. Thing didn't really have violence or momentum. Let's see when it does start trending though. So by this time, like, the Fab 4 is irrelevant. You have enough bars of the day for the 20 to calculate and be relevant. But it's flat. Man, it's like trapped between the 20 and 200. Does it pop up? No, still flat. Oh, here's a chance. Will the 20 rise and it pull back and catch? Oh, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. This might be where the 8 is right here. Let's pop it on and see. Maybe you got off the 8. Yeah, we did. Right here, trigger off the 8. At this point, you got the dual space. 20 is far from the 200. Price is far from the 20. And you got the 180 whole number there. Let's see if there's some violence to the downside. I don't know if I would qualify that as violence. But oh, triggering right there again. Let's see if this followed through for a new high. Nope. No new high. This is a the failure to make a new high right here. See that? Yeah. Let's see if this gets under the 20 and then retest. Basically kind of like a double top type of thing. There's 3 ways it could top out, or maybe more, but you got the V where it just drops. In this case, not. You got the failure to make a new high. Let's just say that was below. Right here, boom. Then you got the 20 MA hold, drops below the 20. That's the 20. Retest the 20, and drops like that. So let's see. Or it could potentially trigger again. This is a tail to go long. But yeah, that broke below. Waiting for a retest. Oh shoot. That dropped heavily. The 8 might be right here, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah, the 8's right there. Did trigger a color change. Breaks through. Waits for the 20 to catch up. 20 to disrespect it. 200 is right there. Back up. Let's see. Man, this one should have got some follow through. It got no follow through. Failure to make a new low. Came back. Excuse me. Came back. Hit that 20. Triggers. Let's see. Does it trigger over the top here? It does. Will it go? Stop at 63. Nope. Oh wait, that didn't stop out 63. That got a 65. Putting in a 180 right here. Will that go? This looks pretty probable. Rising 20, already caught. Looks pretty probable to go. Another trigger or no? Didn't go much. I guess you could have called this a new high. Barely. But it got back to the 180 whole number. Around there. Like right on the dot. Kind of struggled. It didn't break the 20 though. This is teasing the 20. Piercing, poking. Not a break though. Again, not a break. So trade's still alive. Unless you broke even. If you broke even, you may have wicked out. The OG stop remains. And this thing closed pretty nicely. Or popped up pretty nicely. You get an exhausting bar right here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. And then somehow the 8th bar is the biggest bar. That's an exhausting bar. Look where this originated from. It was on the 20. This got space. And then it's like running away from the 20. That's exhausting. And like you could tell after that, the bar after too. Does this one trigger over the top? Or is this the close? Getting pretty close to the close. So that's Apple for the day. AMD. This is position right here. I'm not gonna lie, it was looking pretty violent. This bar that filled up right here at the lows, it probably looks pretty damn violent. But it tails out. Yoink gets a bit of follow through. Triggers on the tail, gets a bit of follow through. So if you like went short into position, that would have been a stop in reverse. And then you kind of would have also lost on the other side. Now this bar is pretty damn powerful and violent. Drop, you get your bounce, 1, 2, 3, color change. And let's see, did it drop? One drop, two, and three. That was nice. And turn the color change. You get 1, 2, 3, right into the 200. And these lows right here. That was nice. Kind of got crushed in this beginning though. Does it retest that and drop? Nope. It did trigger. This bar was red, but no follow through. Ooh. How did that look on the 5 minute? Let's see. A 5 minute drop from the 20 right here, or 200. Drop down, pull back around the 200, 103. Had a bit of a struggle. Drops heavy. I don't know how you could have gotten in on this one. Maybe if you entered this elephant anticipation right here. You would have got 3 bars of follow through there. Or maybe 2.5. If you count this 1, 2, 3. Yeah, into 101. Decent. Let's see what triggers here. It does. Does it go? Nope. Does it respect the 220? Nope. Is it trending up now? Rising 20? Nope. Let's see if it establishes a position or direction. Kind of going sideways. Okay, now that's bullish momentum. Clearing. This whole sideways. Clearing. No pullbacks except for here, which is kind of far away. But dang, that thing popped up. Nice. Into the close. Big drop. Oh, that's not even the close. I'm tripping. Oh, this one is nice. Already started trending down. This thing popped down, broke through all that support. Let's see what this thing does. Does it trigger underneath this right here? It kind of did, to be honest. But it didn't go. Does it trigger here? It does. Does it go? Stops here. Does it go? Ooh. It's back and forth sideways, but you didn't get stopped out yet though. That's a stop out. Kind of messy, not clean. Oosh. Okay, this started bullish momentum again, and if it pulled back gently, you could have gotten a setup. But after this, man, this thing wiped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5 green bars, bro. The Amazon, this tail bar, if you took that, you did lose, but stop and reverse, no follow through to the upside. This one's violent as heck. drops down into the 200. Does it trigger off this 20 right here? It does. Does it break through? Didn't stop out yet though, but does it break through? Nah, struggling. 200. Okay, back to bullish momentum. Pullback, gentle pullback. Okay, that ain't gentle no more. Let's see. Potential bearish trigger. Nope. Sideways. Sideways. Choppy, 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 choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Oh, potential bullish. 200's in the way though. Oh, did that trigger? Maybe. Stop under. This one go. Oh, this one went. Trigger over the top. Nope. Trigger over the top. Nope. Trigger over the top. Yup. Did it go? Did it go? Yup. Did it go? Nope. Bearish momentum. After this bar off the 200, you could probably look for shorts. You get a color change, some color changes. Exhausting bar right there. Pullback triggers. Does it go? Nope. Back to the 200. This was kind of nice, man. This right here. Exhausting bar. Failure to make that new low. Elephant bar. Right here. Clearing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs to be at least 5 bars. This is like 9 bars. Nice. Boom. Stop here. Add. Separate stop. Walk it up. Take some profits. This is probably holding that 8 MA. It breaks through. 20 doesn't hold. But it does go higher though. It did go higher. Let's go over one more. Let's look at BABA and then we'll look to make our list, trading list. This one, pretty fat gap up. Did color change. But after a gap up like that, you can't really expect like to milk 2 legs out of that. You can't expect to get 1 leg, pull back, another. So if you got this right here, you get some enough follow through. I don't know if that was enough to take profit. Doesn't look like it. 1 push, 2 push, barely 3 pushes, maybe enough to just break even. Pulls back, does trigger, but look at where it came from. Gap up and put in that leg already. Does it go up? Sideways, right? Yeah, relatively sideways. Starts trending down here, kinda. Base kinda sideways though. Not kinda, it is sideways. Yeah. Something you don't really want to trade. You want to trade something with momentum. But this might set up something nice for tomorrow. I don't know why it had a sudden burst there, but this might set up good location and position for tomorrow's trading. Alright, anyways, time to build a watch list. So we have to have 2 things to consider: price and sector. We need diversity in price and sector diversity. We're looking for a majority of our stocks to be in between the price range of 50 and $100. So that's about 60%. And then 20% is stocks above $100, and 20% is stocks below $50. And sectors, you got some sectors such as big tech, the chips, the semiconductors, which are the semiconductors. Big tech like Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon. Chips like Nvidia, AMD, MU, Intel. Oil stocks like XOM, Chevron, Oxy, banks, JPM, Wells Fargo, Citi. You got fintech, Square, PayPal. And then you got the China stocks, Neo, Baba, the transportation, like the airlines or like Uber, UAL, or Boeing. You got retail, Walmart, Costco, and then that's not all. We got this heat map over here. Let's see what other sectors there are. So you got over here this whole technology. You got, I guess they have it as software. You got the semiconductors here, consumer electronics. Pretty cool. Financials, you got the credit services, so like American Express. You got the banks. What else is there? You see, I gotta look into this stuff too, because I gotta make a list that I could keep consistent every day. I don't know most of these stocks. What is bro? You got Google, Meta, the big tech. You got the communication, telecom, Verizon. What is T? Is that T-Mobile? Netflix kind of expensive. You got Disney, entertainment. Oh, so there's an entertainment sector. The auto manufacturers, you got Tesla. I think F is Ford, maybe. GM, General Motors. Footwear, Nike. Get this out of here, bro. Get this out of here. There's a lot to choose from, man. But in reality, when you specialize and know your stock, that's how you make, profits. You can't be jumping around too much. But let's see. For now, I got AMD because that's my boy. I just been trading AMD. I used to trade Nvidia, but Nvidia got too expensive for me. Nvidia's like freaking $500 now, so I gotta trade the poor man's Nvidia, which is AMD. So that's definitely gonna be on my list. That's $100 stock. Banks. How about the banks, huh? Let's go check these charts too. Wells Fargo. I gotta see how much they move. Like, let's check C. An average daily bar on C. A good day. This is like a really good day. That's not average. This thing in a day drops maybe only 60 cents. It was only 70 cents. That don't move too much. Let me see though. How would you trade this? $0.20 bar, you get 5 lots on that. I don't really like trading less expensive stocks either, because for what they move, you have to pay so much in fees because you got to put on the size to make up for it. And then if you're slow and you got to like take on use hotkeys for the whole position, get out 10 lots, in 10 lots, it's too much of a hassle for what it be moving. Not too much. You got Apple, Microsoft, kind of expensive, man. You got the oil stocks here, XOM, CVX. How does CVX move? Nicely or no? I gotta see what an average size bar on this is like. Yo, this is nice, bro. Look at that. Relatively narrow. Boom, enter that on confirmation. This is about a 40-cent bar. You can put 2 lots on that. This is tradable. Does it trigger there? It does, but it didn't work. Let's see XOM. These should move similar. Yeah, looks similar. Boom, the tail bar takeout. This is a 30-cent bar. You could have put 3 lots on that. Triggers doesn't go. XOM or CVX. Let me just flip a coin. Let me just flip a coin or something. Heads, CVX. Coin flip. Heads, CVX. Heads. We got heads, so we're going with CVX over XOM. Just want to diversify though, you know, because both of them are oil stocks anyways. Which is, this one's expensive. I might not, honestly, I might gear towards the more expensive stocks because I just like trading less lots but getting bigger moves. Because like what? CVX, what does it move? From this bar, 150, let's say 160. This thing was able to move almost $2. 160. Yeah, almost $2. Yeah. And I had to like not put on as much size either, so honestly I like it. Easier to manage the more expensive stocks. So we got oil down, trading CVX, it's $160 stock. We have to choose a bank. Man. How about JPM? What is JPM be moving? Let's see. Let's see what's a tradable bar. Boom. Tails, I got no follow through. This bar is 35 cents. That's a 3 lotter-ish. And from 147.50, this thing got to 148.50. A nice dollar. So that's nice. Alright, let's just choose JPM as our bank. JP Morgan Chase. which is $150 stock. Entertainment group, I'm gonna choose Disney. Yeah, we're gonna go with Disney. $80 stock. Entertainment. So I'm writing this all down on a notebook. Beverages. Pepsi. KO. Beverages, huh? KO, let's check out KO. $60 stock. You got an elephant bar off the bat. Right off the gap. This triggers a 4-cent bar. That's like full lots for me. Stops out. Let's see if I could join a short. I mean, technically that triggered. Also, like a 2-cent bar. This one triggers under. 3-cent bar, 5 cent. I could put 10 lots on that. $10 lots on that, and how far does it go? 58 to yo, for a $60 stock, this thing doesn't move that much. For me to expect 50 cents out of this because it's a higher price stock. Technically, this got like 8 bars or the equivalent of maybe 4 to 5 pushes. But a 3-cent bar, you get 10 lots. Let me see. You're risking this, you get 1, 2, 3. I'm drawing it kind of big. That's already 3 R's. Does it drop through? It does. I could trade this, but I can't expect $40 out of it. Let me see Pepsi. How is that? $180 stock, huh? I don't like the look of this. It's too gappy. Too gappy. I don't like that. Probably means it's pretty spready. Transportation. Let's look for transportation. Where are the airlines? Where are the airlines at? Huh? Where the airlines at, boy? Aerospace? No, not aerospace. Real estate. What is real estate? I'm looking for the airlines. Why can't I find it? Restaurants. This is good. Mickey D's, yo, that's too expensive. Alright, we're gonna get S-Bucks on here for restaurants. $97 stock. Oh, is this it right here? Ba? Isn't that Boeing? Where's UAL? Oh shoot. My bad. Um, Apple, big tech. Do I have big tech? I don't. Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Amazon, Baba. I like to trade the triple A's. Apple, Amazon. But the strongest A's in my opinion are Apple and AMD. Let's just add Apple, which is a $180. Let's get a credit card thingy in here. What's MA? MasterCard? No, that's too expensive. Let's choose between V and AXP. V. This thing's pretty damn expensive, man. That's most definitely a bar I cannot afford. It would not be V. AXP, maybe. Decent open. Boom. This is a 50-cent bar. I could afford that. This is a 35-cent bar. Alright, I could trade AXP. But for $160 stock, these bars are kind of small, but did trend pretty nicely. So let's see how much we got. Let's choose 3 more stocks. I gotta choose a transportation. Trying to see if I recognize any of these stocks, which I don't. What are these? Drug manufacturers. Drug manufacturers, huh? MRK, Merck. That's what Merck is. I didn't even know. What is PFE? Pfizer. BMY. Oh, Guild is a drug manufacturer too. We might have to find something in this. Let's look at Merck. Merck is a... Oh, that's a pretty nice trend. This bar is 15 cents. This bar is less than 15 cents. How about the bars at the open? Let's say this one. 30 cents, that's tradable. How about Guild? Ooh. See, this bar is only a 10-cent bar. This bar is a 15-cent, 20-cent bar. Can this stock move a lot? $77.25. 50 cents down is $76.75. Can even move 50 cents. It can, but that was a whole ass trend. And what was the other one? Pfizer? Let's see. is a 4-cent bar. Oh shoot. This one's a 6-cent bar. This whole ass bar is a 6-cent bar. 7 cent? Oh shit. For what you're risking, I mean, I guess this could be my cheap stock, Pfizer. Does it jump that a lot though? It looks like it gaps. Kinda. That might mean it's not liquid enough, too spready. But dang, this thing went. Wait, psych. This thing only went 30 cents that whole wave. Merc. Let's check Merc again. Boom, boom. Let's just say 109.70. This thing was able to get to 108.90. 80 cents. That's decent. And what you could have put on this was like a 10 lauder. 10 lauder going that much. We'll go with Merc. One $10 stock. Drug manufacturer. Let's see what else we got. GM. General Motors. This looks pretty fluid. 10-cent bar right here. I gotta see how it trades though. Does it like jump like crazy? Because you could see gaps in the way it closed here and it jumped down. This bar is 2 cents. But this thing be moving though. For a $30 stock. Breaks the trend, comes back up. Let's see if it starts an uptrend here. Triggers there. 2-cent bar again. You're already 1-to-1 over there. Shit. UAL airline. So let's see, do I have big tech? I have Apple, chips, I have AMD, oil, I have Chevron, CVX. Banks, I have JPM, FinTech, Square, right? Square. China. Square. What do Square? Square. What sector is that? What sector is Square? Computer software. Block. Computer software. fintech, supposedly. Financial technology. Square is a $55 stock. We'll do Baba, because I have been trading Baba. Baba, what is that? $90 stock. It's a big tech in China. Alibaba. So yeah, let me choose one transport, and then I got 11 stocks. Boeing. Can I trade Boeing? What the freak happened to Boeing today, bro? $6 up, $7 up on the first bar. Let me see, like, can I even trade this thing? Or is it too expensive? So this bar off of 200. Elephant bar is already like $1.70. I can't afford that. I could afford the smaller, like this. This is like maybe like a 5 lot to 2 lotter. I'm tripping. 50-cent bar. Like right here. That's a 1 lotter. And for where it moved, in at 216.85, this thing dropped on $3. All you need is 1 lot to make $300. Let's check Uber and UAL and choose from there. Uber and UAL. So this chop, you catch this one. This one is a 8-cent bar. 8-cent bar. That goes how far? In at 17, goes up to 50. 50 minus 18. Only 32 cents. But how many lots could you have put on that? 10 lots. They go 50 cents. You can make money. You can most definitely make money. UAL. Let's see UAL. 20-cent bar right here. Boom, boom. This is maybe a 4 lotter. 4 lotter. And on the color change. Separate stop. Less than 50 cents. You could expect around, you want to expect around 50 cents of follow through. 30, 50 cents is 80. Does this get to 80? Kind of a long stretch to get to 80. But that's like how many lots again? UAL. Um, 25 cents, 4 lots. Didn't really, I don't know, man. That's why I like trading the more expensive stocks. You just get 1 lot and you just ride that thing. but maybe not, you know. Uber. Alright. I'm gonna flip a coin or pick a number from 1, 2, 3. 1 is UAL, 2 is Uber, 3 is Boeing. Siri, pick a number from 1 through 3. Two. So we're going with Uber, I guess. We could always change these, I mean. What's the normal range on the bar? Uber. Where is it? UAL. UAL kind of moved though. This is similar to Uber anyways. I think in at around 20. You know what? I'm gonna go with UAL. Just because I have a bunch of expensive stocks. And so we got 11 stocks right now. We're just gonna test them out for the next couple of days and see how it goes. So we got Apple, Big Tech, AMD, chip / semiconductor, CVX, oil, JPM Bank, Disney, entertainment, S-Bucks, restaurant, AXD, credit services, MRK, drug manufacturer, SQ Square is computer software, fintech, Baba, Big Tech China, UAL, transportation airline. And of course, I have a bunch of these I can check out, but for now, I gotta narrow it down first to see what works for me. Pick and choose. The good ones stay. The ones that make me money stay. The ones that don't, and I don't see a lot of movement and I can't get a lot of trades on it, I just remove from my list. But for now, let's make the new list. Apple, AMD, CVX, JPM, Disney, S-Bucks, AXP, Merck, Square, Baba, and UAL. Beautiful. See, simple now. Every single day in the live trading video now, we'll go through every single one in the morning. Got some price diversity, some sector diversity. Got 180s, 150, 80s, 90s, 50s up in here. There's obviously a bunch of stocks that are out there, but look at this chart. No way in heck somebody knows all of these stocks by heart. If you do, and you think that having a lot of stocks in a big watch list provides you with a lot of opportunity, just think how counterintuitive it is, because when you go to chase opportunities somewhere else, you could be missing opportunities over here, and in the end, you regret, and I believe that you end up missing more opportunities. So by keeping it simple like this, 6 to 10 stock watch list, see what's good, keep the ones that are good, remove the other ones, then you could try some other ones, some new stocks. If those are good, they stay. If they aren't good, let them go. Whatever presents the best opportunities and trades with the best follow through, I would say, is you just gotta get experience and figure that out. And to do that, you kind of have to be consistent and go maybe like 20 trades, set to 20 trades at a time, and really collect your stats, because otherwise you're just going off something random. Like one day, oh, this thing made me $500, I'm gonna keep trading this. It's kind of random, it's not consistent. But if you could prove that you could do it over many weeks, many months, many years, then I'll believe you. So there's our new watch list. Let's save it. We'll save it as new beginnings because this is new beginnings. Alright. See you guys. And thank you. Finally made the watch list. See you guys.